Digital Transformation 2.0 to build smart, innovative products for data-driven enterprise. What is digital transformation? In the last 2-3 years during this pandemic, we all experienced shortage of goods, lack of resources, whether people or the material or the machine, and hence we had to improve our digital transformation to build the smarter products. Today I'll be talking about digital transformation 2.0. Welcome to this presentation. My name is Prabhu Patil. I'm the founder and CEO of Prolim Global Corporation. I have 30 plus years of experience working in CAD/CAM, PLM, and helping thousands of customers in this digital transformation journey. A bit about our company. We started in 2005 and we have 9 global locations, 400 plus employees and 1,200 customers, and we have won 30 plus awards. We have a strong partnership with the technology partners. We are a platinum partner for Siemens, AWS consulting partner, Azure, a partnership, Mendix, and so on. We also have a strong relationship and academic partnership with these universities and corporate partnership as a global citizen. So where are we today in our digital transformation journey? As you all know, PLM orchestrates multi-system driven data, enabling different teams across the company leveraging critical data during the entire life cycle of a product. You started with requirements gathering to the CRM, to requirements, to conceptual design thinking, analysis, manufacturing, and downstream ERP systems. This entire systems of leveraging the data. The success of a digital transformation, we call DX for a company, depends on how well the PLM software integrates with and connects with all these systems to access the data and drive through these silos of information. Leveraging the key enterprise systems and applying this digital transformation that aligns with increasing revenue, reducing cost, faster time to market, and better quality products. And this is what the aim of digital transformation. In a digital transformation 1.0, DX 1.0, we talked about how do I connect these systems, how do I automate my business processes, and so on. And what about 2.0? At 2.0, the philosophy continues. This digital transformation is all about looking your entire business strategy through the lens of technical capabilities and how that changes how you're operating and generating the revenues. Basically, break this down into 3: your business strategy, your technical capabilities, and how you're leveraging those to delivering operating and bottom line profits. Let's look at what are the pillars of digital transformation. The number 1 is value products. According to McKinsey, the value is the main reason why customers are switching brands. Other value means getting more for less and having the purpose of quality and novelty. Number 2 is about supply chain. We all saw that in pandemic, particularly in automotive industry, due to the just lack of shortage of chips, and costed about $110 billion to the industry. And this supply chain impact exists everywhere from restaurants to aerospace industries. Number 3, hybrid working. Talent is very critical. All the knowledge that is acquired by the employees, that's grassroots level of knowledge, has going to disappear as the employees leave. How do you capture that data? How do you bring that talent? How do they collaborate from working from home or anywhere in the world? And the 4th one is emerging technologies, cloud, IoT, and AI. How do I leverage this AI for automating my customer service? How do I capture that knowledge and designing my products? How do I innovate? And how do I leverage that cloud computing to build this? And how do I track my products and assets through IoT solution? And the last one is safety and security. Cyber security threat is continuing to increase, and the loss of data, IP theft are very critical. They not only lose that IP, but also it's a business distraction. These are the 5 pillars that drive the next level of digital transformation. The question is, when the survey is conducted more than 30,000 customers and asked, what are the issues that drive change in the company's development process? 31% said their customer demands looking for smart features, 29% on eco-friendly regulations and incentives, particularly applicable to EV vehicles today, and 23% disruption on norms of engineering work and manufacturing and supply chain. And the 9% said there's regional differences in the customers, the geographies like US demands are different, Asia Pacific and Europe, and so on. This puts into a lot of need how we can improve our and focus on digital transformation. Where is that product complexity coming in, that increasing most in this world? The survey shows that 56% onboard embedded software and 53% in the systems, the various systems that's going out, and 3%, number 3, 49% on electrical hardware, and 46% on electrical distribution, and the 43% on mechanical hardware and materials that forms that product. And where is the ROI? So far, every company is invested in this digital transformation 1.0. We classified them into 2 categories. One is the least progressive customers, meaning they invested only in 3.5 average initiative investment in digital transformation, and the most progressive customers who have invested 4 times more than the other companies in their digital transformation. What is the ROI? It shows that the least progressive companies are continuing to develop more prototypes to showcase their product. In this case, 9.7 prototypes, whereas most progressives, because of their automation, because of their digital transformation, their average number reduced to 7.7. And more importantly, the revenue of a most progressive companies able to increase the revenue by 10% and also increase the margin targets by 9% as compared to least progressive. Hence, digital transformation definitely yield results, and you will realize return on investment. The question is, where do we start? Why and where? The biggest assumption about digital transformation, why you should adjust your thinking. Why should I change? That's the first thing we need to address. Number 2, the best approach of implementing digital transformation when the resources are tight. We talked about this pandemic has created shortage. That's where the critical element. The key areas where digital transformation can support business priorities, and what technologies act as innovation accelerators for design and product development, and why you should adopt them. How to leverage existing technology adoption in new ways to advance your digital transformation. At Prolim, we spent a lot of time working with thousands of these customers and developed a digital transformation framework. Here it is. This is our IP, where we built this digital transformation platforms based on a low-code solution on Mendix in this case, where we bring all these vertical silos of information, starting from RFP, the system of records on sales and service, CRM systems, program management, configuration management, CPQs, BOM, manufacturing, based on top of our team center backbone and integrated with the ERP system on the downstream. By bringing all these pieces together and applying the AI technology and machine learning in this digital platform, we are taking the customer to the next level of industry digital transformation 2.0. For your company, what you can do, you can lay out first a blueprint for your digital transformation, putting the various silos of information, where it is sitting, and how do you bring all those pieces together, and put a glue, a platform, collecting all this information, continue that digital thread to build that digital twin. That's where this digital transformation helps. Here are some of the examples that we have built based on Mendix. All these applications are available for view on our website at prolim.com. Here are some examples for configure price to quote, service management, supply chain management, energy resource management, health monitoring, and asset monitoring. All these applications we have built on Mendix with the visualization tool by bringing the collection of data. We also enabled with an IoT solutions on top of that, using some of the AWS technologies, building these smarter dashboards that enable innovation, enable the smart product development from CAD/CAM PLM to the field. And how do we collect that data from a time series data from the products that are out in the industry and bringing back to your R&D. And as a closed loop development system, we were able to help many customers build that. What we should do is, as I said, you build your digital transformation blueprint and look at your critical assets that are deployed in your field, on the field, and bring that, enable them with an IoT solutions, and bring that data in and put an artificial intelligence framework to learn, and with the machine learning keep on learning that data, how that is predicting, reacting, and build that model to build and take your company to the next level, the digital transformation 2.0. Here is one video I'm going to play that shows a detailed example of that. As you can see here, in this case, a configure price to quote. This is an app that is available on the mobile device as well as also on the laptop or any other. This is building how do I build a configuration, collect the customer details, product configurations, and bringing all those pieces together in a main capabilities, a configuration parameters and so on. A great interface that works with either mobile device, iPad, or a laptop device. And the interface is very, very simple. Handy. The salesperson sitting on the field, collect that customer information, and keep on providing, creating that, building that product with the user interface. This is a very simple example how I build a Windows from conceptual thinking, designing in my CAD tool, in this case Solid Edge, and having this, taking it to the PDM system, PLM system, and Team Center, and generating those the JD files and building the configuration and providing a quote to the customer instantly. We can talk more about this video as well. If you have any challenging questions with respect to digital transformation, whether you are beginning your digital transformation or you're already done with DX 1.0, you want to go to the DX 2.0, please contact. My name is Prabhu Patil. My email address is prabhu.patil@prolim.com, and my number is 248 9794422. Thank you very much.